In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if the YouTube TV free trial is truly free and what to watch out for during the sign-up process. While YouTube TV offers a free trial period, typically 7 to 14 days, it's important to understand the terms to avoid unexpected charges. First, check if the trial requires your payment details up front. Most free trials do, but you won't be charged unless you continue using the service after the trial ends. To confirm this, read the fine print during sign-up, which will outline when the paid subscription begins and how much it costs. Additionally, verify that no add-ons or premium features are pre-selected, as these can increase the price. You can also set a reminder to cancel before the trial ends by checking the exact trial duration in your account settings under Membership. If everything aligns with these conditions, the trial is truly free. If this video helped you determine if the YouTube TV free trial is truly free, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.